That's your summary. Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lover. If you're new to the channel, my name is Razwal and I post videos weekly on how to do easy cocktails at home. If you haven't seen my previous video, check the link in the description below, or you can check it somewhere up here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Submarine. This shot is based with beer and vodka. So take your beer glass, add your beer. You can use any preferred lager that you have at home. I'll be using a Kingfisher. There you go. Take your shot glass, add about 60 ml of the preferred glass that you have, full of vodka. There you go. Aside for the moment. So just drop it in the glass. That's your Submarine. This shot has basically 5 to 6 variations. Drop me a comment below, let me know if you want to see all the different variations. So I'll be calling it to give an end to this video. Cheers. That's a Submarine. Bye. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Drop me a comment if you want to see more videos or any other different videos that you want. Until then, peace and enjoy. Cheers.